665 days. Well, you may be wondering, what am I talking about? Or why I'm counting these days? Well, I'm not counting any days, but these are the number of days that it took Peggy Whitson to break the USA record of the astronaut that has spent the longest time living in space, in the International Space Station. Um, so if you don't know what the International Space Station, it's literally a wonderful collaboration from different nations to have literally a station in space in the name. It's literally the name, a space station in space where different nations do different scientific experiments there. And these experiments wouldn't be able to be done without the energy that's produced from the sun, which is solar energy, also known as photovoltaics. I probably pronounced that wrong, but it's just a fancy word of solar energy. Well, I'll be talking about solar energy and how it works and how it's produced. So, solar energy is made up from solar panels, and solar panels are made up from using different elements like silicon, phosphorus, boron, and those are the main three. And the other not so used three are aluminium, silver, and copper. While copper is used to connect the different solar cells together to make up a solar panel, aluminium is used in the second layer of the solar panels, and silver is used in the top layer of the solar panels. By the way, solar panels have two different layers. The top layer is called the thin layer, where silicon and phosphorus are mixed together. And this layer is also known as the negative layer because it allows the free movement of electrons that comes from the visible light produced by the sun. Visible light is the only light that's allowed to pass through the layer because ultraviolet light is too short and infrared waves are too long and they just pass through the solar panels. So the second layer of the panels is made up of silicon and boron, not phosphorus. And this layer is known as the positive layer because that's what attracts the electrons from the negative layer to the other side of the panel. Between these two layers, there's a place called the depletion zone where the electrons are captured and taken through a certain circuit to reach an area to light up, for example, a bulb. That's how electricity is made because electricity is the flow of electrons, and that's how International Space Station is powered. Thank you.